See, right, you missed something. So what I said before accounting, you can go and alter it, right? So run this report. Debit memo, write-off adjustment, deposit. Okay. Anyway, quickly we'll do. Then unidentified reverse. So what is O2C cycle? Anyone tell me what you understood? What do you mean by O2C?
Order to cash. Sales order to cash.
Cycle.
Sales order to cash.
No. What is the accounting entry? What is the process involved? Tell me if it is wrong also, no problem.
Accounting.
Not accounting, you tell what. First you create sales order. Next what you create?
First from an order. Yeah, so from an order we give a sales order to a customer.
Okay, you create a sales order for a customer, right? No accounting entries will be generated then.
And then upon receiving the material, we'll transact material transaction.
Can you see the AR screen, asset screen?
Yeah.
And see the transaction screen inside, how to create the invoice. You can see the screen, invoice creation screen. Okay. So we seen that. Now I'll show you commitment. Everything we see. Guarantee. See, line items is not opening because it's a guarantee. Come here. So I'm giving for commitment for 1 lakh. This is, check the distribution for the accounting. So okay. So receivable account is same. To instead of revenue, what is the account it is picking? Customer deposit. Okay, note down. Here customer deposit. It should be a deposit account. Instead of revenue, for that it is going to a deposit account. Okay. Complete. Right, simple. Working it will take only 1 or 2 minutes, but you have to understand the business scenario where you have to use what. Okay. Credit transaction, you know, copy I have shown you, right? So receipt. Check method. Receipt.
Revenue account is so this is an org account, is it?
Revenue account is an sales account. Which type of revenue you are getting? I am getting from training revenue or consulting revenue or sales of goods, like that.
Sale of
type
goods.
of revenue. It is a type of sale. You can categorize which type. Suppose I told, right, the people are doing multiple business. Maybe Saravana stores, if you take, they are into jewelry, they are into grocery. So they have to bifurcate the revenue, right? Electronics. So which is generating more? They have to investigate and check the budget, etc. Means they should bifurcate the revenue. Or you are running a small petty shop like provision, you can book in revenue directly. Only items will be changing. It is based on the business. Okay. Right.
Okay.
So I'm creating an invoice. If you go to apply, you are manually applying to the invoice. If you click search and history, so it is giving, you can preview this 1000 USD, how much can it apply to the invoices like this? It is showing. You can search and apply. Both are same screen only. Okay. Right. Right. I applied. Now, so this I wrongly applied to this customer. Now, one thing what I can do, I can unapply. That means untick it. Save. So it is back to the original position. Unapplied. If I remove the customer, it will go to normal. See here, normal. So this happens when I what? Don't do the accounting or thing. Now this itself wrong. This I cannot do anything, right? The 1000 I created. So what happens in this? You can reverse a receipt. Reverse. So which date you want to reverse? I created on 1st January. So 2nd January 2014. I am reversing it. Which category? Why you are reversing it? Non-sufficient funds in the bank because of the check is bouncing. Account closed or non-sufficient bank. Uncollectible, wrong amount. The reason. Reverse. Just save it. So see here, it reversed and become 0. Right? So this is, yeah. Okay.
What is this reverse receipt, sir?
Reversing the receipt. See, you created a receipt. You got the money as a form of check. Okay. Today I got the check.
Okay.
After 3 days, the bank says check got bounced. What you do? You receive the check got bounced. The amount not credited, right? Then you would reverse it.
Okay.
Then reverse only, the customer balance will be coming to the original stage, correct? If customer want to pay 10,000 USD, he gives the check. It got bounced. So once again, the customer balance has to be 10,000 USD, right? Then you would reverse. The receipt is nil, reversed. And the charges, you can charge him as interest charge or something. Maybe customer unknowingly given, right? Then you, like that, there are many scenarios. Your collection team will follow and get it back, right?
Okay.
Okay, right. Mittens net. What is netting? So netting, we told, right? The same customer and supplier. was created. So as a group, we created an receipt batch. Let's see what is the output. And reports, we have many reports creating NetE batch. So the report running it will create. Okay. So there are many standard reports in Oracle AR. If I want to see all the invoices, we have to run transaction register. See, transaction register has two types: transaction detailed register and transaction register. What is the difference? So transaction register will give you the gross amount of the invoice. Okay. Right.
Okay.
Transaction detailed register will give including the line item. We are giving only one line item, correct? If you give multiple line item, it will come in multiple. So I am running one transaction register. Now I'll run one transaction detailed register. Asking from which invoice number you need. So transaction register is completed. View output. So here, so this is how the report will run. Entire January, only one invoice has been created in AC network. This is the invoice. So it will list like this, all the transactions. Okay. Transaction it's running. Like that, you can run receipt report, receipt bill report. Can you put on mute? Creating sound. Any doubts you can open up. Receipt register. So you can ask what are dates. So complete register I am giving. Let's see how big is the report. Receipts also has a detailed one. So transaction detail also running. Okay. So till now you have any doubts? So these are the standard reports. Okay. Suppose
This is for netting, is it? What is netting?
netting, I told no, if you have same supplier and same customer and supplier are same, you will not pay or you will not receive the money, right? Till a valid time, the both will generate. At the some time, you will do the run the netting and you will knock off. Finally, at one stage, you want to do. Or see, netting happens within the intercompany team, like we are saying intercompany. It's a form of netting is for outside, no? Same as a customer and same as a. That's why it. In 11A, we don't have this option. So what they do, they create a dummy bank. Okay. So if I buy, I pay through a dummy bank. If I sell to them, I pay through a dummy bank. You understand? So dummy bank finally will use for a common thing. It's like a suspense control account. Okay. Now we are having netting. And here, if you see the option in R12, here you can take the help of your technical team to add the format as Excel. Here nothing is there. They can use the format in Excel also. Okay. So the report output will be in Excel also. Okay. Transaction detail. So this is a detailed report. It will give account wise in detail. Okay. See, one quantity, two quantity, two lines we are having. So it created two. Okay. Can you put it on mute?
Yeah.
Okay. So in setup, within transaction receipt, so module tags, print system option, VC. This financial is nothing from GL, flex field. Reports, the reports now only we ran. There are some accounting report, collection report. Just you go here and click this button, all the reports will come. You can check, see aging report, whatever report, just you go and run it. Okay, run it and check how it comes. So you have all the reports, default report. You have, see, for reconciliation, suppose okay. Suppose I am having a difference from AR model to GL, it is transferred, it is not matching. So I am having 1 lakh, 1 million USD in AR and it has only remitted 0.9 million to GL. So there is a difference of 0.1 million. Okay. So this transaction detail register you can run with accounting also, customer name also. Okay. See, aging sound bucket by account report. So this will give account wise. Okay. So what happens as on today's date, if I'm giving the report summary, maybe detailed or customer wise summary or invoice summary you need. Okay. Customer wise summary, report format, what format you need, brief or detailed I need. Aging bucket also various format you need, collection or future weekly. So summarize, you can run for only one customer, only one currency. You can give a group of customer. So transaction type, particular, these are all white field optional. Just give. Any doubts for you? Hilda? Yeah, nothing is there. Only theoretically you have to check and practice and come back. Hello?
Hello.
Yes.
I want to know like this structure for like enterprise structure for GL.
Oh, GL we'll see. This AR only, na? Next we'll
Yeah,
take.
or AR also. For AR, what is GL is from GL into
Oh, how GL and AR link?
sorry,
Huh?
link, yes. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, like I said, whatever GL is the consolidated ledger for everything, all the module. No, all the accounting and everything will go to GL from AR or any other module. Okay. It is an individual mod sub ledger only. Every module depend on GL. You create calendar there, it's automatically populating here. See
Okay.
here, AC network, the customer total values here outstanding. All are above 361 plus days, above 1 year, everything. Okay. So this is the aging report. So you can copy and make it as Excel. Nowadays, our technical team will help us to give an Excel sheet itself. So it is useful for the management. Okay. Right. And is giving in the accounting also. In this account, it is here. All are 1210. Mostly they will use different account also. We are using only one receivable account. Maybe receiving hardware revenue receivable, software revenue receivable, training revenue receivable, outsourcing revenue, like that. You will split also. Okay. Right. So what happens if you get split? Then you will have multiple accounts. You can see which account is having low balance so that your search will be minimized and you can easily cross check it. Okay. Is a good option. And the report side. Okay. Period. This is the AR control. Open or close period. Here only we'll open or close the AR period. So latest period open this one. So I want to close a period. So I want to close this period. So it will check for the unposted items and it will show error, what are all pending. So we have to clear, then only we'll able to close. We can able to open as a letter period also, but we'll have an internal control not to do that. Okay. So AR, if something is stuck, it will give, it is unaccounted, then you have to do accounting. There are a series of steps for the month and close process, which is shared you in the notes. It will be in the steps. What are reports you have to run first? So all the reports you run and check what is the output it is giving, whatever you create, how it reflects. Okay. How the management needs the report. Like that you have to check. Because working in the system will create 1 second. Why you are creating and what is the impact only we have to know as a finance consultant. Okay. So both, any doubt?